Ford carries on its time-honored tradition of being built Ford tough with the FCE6150QV Silent Series air compressor. The 15-gallon vertical air tank and rugged 2 HP motor has a max pressure of 125 PSI, and the oil-free dual pump requires no additional maintenance. Generating just 59 decibels of sound while in operation means this compressor is exceptionally quiet, and the easy-to-read pressure gauges and thermal overload protections provide peace of mind. These combined features, along with the convenient handle and never-flat wheels for added mobility, make the FCE6150QV a cut above the rest. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Quiet operation. At just 59 decibels of sound while in operation, the FCE6150QV is quieter than most standard air compressors. Number 2. Pressure gauges and coupler. Featuring dual easy-to-ready pressure gauges and one universal quick connect coupler for optimal efficiency. Number 3. Mobility kit. Complete with handle and never-flat wheels with chrome F150 inspired rims for added portability. Number 4. 15-gallon vertical air tank. Number 5. 2 HP, 125 max PSI, 120 volts, 60 Hz. Number 6. Super quiet operation, approximately 59 decibels. Number 7. Portable design with mobility kit. Number 8. 2.9 CFM at 90 PSI, 3.9 CFM at 40 PSI. Number 9. Dual pump for 10x's longer pump life. Number 10. Oil-free, maintenance-free pump. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. What can cause my silent compressor to become noisy? Answer. It somewhat depends on the noise. A common, easy thing to inspect is the air inlet filters. Question number 2. Would it keep enough pressure for all 3 nailing guns nailing at once? Answer. Pressure isn't a problem, volume might be. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.